How to fix origin server bottlenecks with a CDN. Imagine your website is a busy shop, and the main cash register is overwhelmed with customers. That's what an origin server bottleneck feels like. It slows down your site or even causes it to go offline. But there's a way to ease that load and keep things running smoothly. Content delivery networks, or CDNs, are like a network of helpers placed around the world. These helpers store copies of your static content like images, videos, style sheets, and scripts. When someone visits your site, the CDN serves these files from the closest helper, not the main server. This reduces the traffic hitting your origin server and speeds up delivery. To fix bottlenecks, start by configuring your CDN to cache static content. Make sure your website's headers tell the CDN to cache files like images and style sheets for a good amount of time. For example, setting cache control headers to a value like public, max age equals 86,400 seconds, which is 1 day, helps. Next, focus on dynamic content. Some CDNs can optimize delivery of personalized pages by accelerating the connection between the CDN and your origin server. This is done by using features like dynamic content acceleration, which reduces latency. Monitoring is key. Use tools to check how often your CDN hits the cache versus fetching from the origin. If your cache hit rate is low, it means many requests are still reaching your server. Also, watch for errors or slow responses that might point to network congestion or misconfigured rules. Improving the connection between your CDN and your origin server is another step. Choose a CDN provider with a large global network and good peering agreements near your data center. Running traceroutes and checking TCP statistics can reveal if network paths are congested. Load balancing can also help. Some CDNs can distribute traffic across multiple origin servers or data centers. This spreads out the load evenly and prevents any one server from becoming overwhelmed. Failover options are useful too. If one origin server fails or gets overloaded, traffic can automatically switch to a backup server. Reducing render blocking resources is another trick. Cache and optimize your CSS and JavaScript files to prevent them from delaying page rendering. This way, even if your origin server is slow, your site still feels fast to visitors. Proper DNS setup is essential. Slow DNS resolution can delay user redirection to the nearest CDN edge. Keep your DNS records updated and monitor response times to avoid delays. Lastly, optimize your content size. Compress images, minify code, and use media optimization features from your CDN. Smaller files transfer faster and put less strain on your origin server. By following these steps, your CDN takes on more of the workload, reducing pressure on your main server. This means faster load times, better scalability, and a smoother experience for your visitors. Regularly check your network and CDN performance to catch and fix bottlenecks early.